In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Y discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser right here and you'll have to search for Y discount promo code. After that, go to this website which is called couponfollow.com, and right here we have a list of different type of promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get this free shipping right here, all you have to do is select show coupon code, and this is the discount code. You can copy this one from right here and you can apply it on your next purchase in order to get this free shipping right here. Also, going back to our main search on Google right here, scrolling down a little bit, you should be able to find this website, which is called maryclary.com. And as you can see right here, we also have a list with promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get this 20% off discount when you buy two items, all you have to do is select get coupon right here, and as you can see, this is the discount code. You can copy this promo code from right here and you can apply this one on your next purchase in order to get a discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.